E.J. Will's Gastropub is the place you want to be. They offer an exciting and fun environment where they spoil their customers with live music weekly, and their menu features items such as burgers, salads, sandwiches, desserts, and a plethora of beverages, from crafted cocktails all the way to crafted brews on tap. But what they're really known for is their amazing burgers. Here they use all local ingredients, all the way from the fresh veggies to their premium beef. And the customers always keep coming back for more. They've garnered a lot of attention, being featured on Dallas Observer, Dallas A-List, Thrillist, as well as Open Table. I highly recommend you try their garbage burger. It is so delicious, and now I can finally see what all the fuss is about. I highly recommend E.J. Will's Gastropub. You're going to have an experience like no other. Come for good eats, good treats, good drinks, and good times. I'm Haley with Big Review TV. Until next time.